Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you how I decorated my hurricane lantern in a coastal decor theme. And it was all done from crafting with my stash. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to my channel and thanks so much for stopping by. This is JunkerNecker and my name is Leah. A JunkerNecker is someone who is always on the lookout for trash that can be turned into treasure. If you like this type of thing, please subscribe for more budget decor ideas. Today is a collaboration that's hosted seasonally by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. Links to her channel as well as a link for this collaboration playlist are in the descriptions below. I made this lantern in a Trash to Treasure project for the sole purpose of being able to join in on these collaborations with Kenya. But I like it so much the way it originally turned out that I didn't want to change anything. So I'm going to be decorating this hurricane lantern instead. It's 11 inches high and 9 inches wide at its widest point. And I'm using this as my inspiration. Beachy coastal theme. I'm going to be using some of this raffia from a Dollar Tree hula skirt, some old ribbons that I had on hand in a light green and blue, some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree with the lace trim, and some starfish that I made. If you'd like to see how I made these starfish, then keep an eye out for the upcoming video on this DIY. Now first, I want to add a candle in there, and I've got this battery-powered flameless candle. And to give it a little more height, I'm adding this glass bowl turned upside down in the bottom, like so. Next, I'm going to come in with some of these raffia pieces and just go all the way around the bottom with those. No particular rhyme or reason to it, just scattering them around. And then adding in my DIY starfish. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Once I had the starfish in, I decided to add just a few more pieces of that raffia around the top. Next, it's time to make the bow that I'm putting on there. Using this Dollar Tree ribbon, I'm just going to wrap it around and around till I have 3 layers on each side. And then I cut it down the middle of all of these, and then made a notch on each side up to the lace. That's going to give me the ability to maneuver those loops around better. So for the center of it, I cut another piece of the ribbon, folded it in thirds onto itself. Now this is wired ribbon, and then wrapped it around, tightened it up into those splits that I made, and twisted it on the back. Now I'm able to fluff my bow and pull those loops out. And I just maneuvered it around till I got the look that I was hoping for. And once I got that, I dovetailed the ends. Has anyone else decorated in the coastal beach nautical theme this year? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm going to be adding in some of the colored ribbons. Since these are old used ribbons, they're very wrinkled and I need to press them out, but I don't want to use my iron. Instead, I'm going to use a hair straightener, just a regular old flat iron, and run the pieces of ribbon through that until it's de-wrinkled somewhat. I'm not going for perfect, but I do want to get some of the really deep wrinkles out. And of course, if there's ribbon or twine or string around, the cat's going to show up. Nosy cat. This light green ribbon came off of a blanket I got for a gift many years ago, and the blue ribbon came off of a package of washcloths that I bought. Now to add the colored ribbon onto the back of this burlap. I'm just cutting various lengths of the ribbon. I don't want it to hang down too long and drape onto the table where I'm sitting this. So once I got the pieces cut, which is 2 light green and 2 blue, I staggered them, bunched them up together, left some little loopies on the top, and put them together with a pipe cleaner. Then I just twisted it together with the wire that was already on the back of the burlap bow that we made. Just twisting all those wires together. And of course I had to refluff my bow after this. That's a good thing about wired ribbon. You just can't go wrong with it. Just keep fluffing it. Testing it out to see if it's hanging well. And to attach it, I just took some of the extra pipe cleaner that I had and formed a hook and hooked it right onto that wire that's on the handle. And there we go. I have this on my dining table like a centerpiece, and I added it on top of this colorful scarf and this black and white tray that I had. And I also added in a couple of seashells, a little dolphin, and a raffia wicker type vase with some seagrass looking greenery. So yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Sorry it's so shadowy. I left the lights dim so the candle would show up. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope you have a wonderful week.